YouTube. Welcome back. I am Nubian Rack, and today I am going to invite you into my bathroom to see my wash routine since my repair journey. So yeah, welcome to my bathroom. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how I prepare my hair for washing, as well as what I use to wash it and what I use afterwards to moisturize and condition my hair. So stay tuned. Alright, so I've washed my hair and it's almost dry. It's one day after anyway. So I took the braids out. So one of the reasons I had thinning in some areas of my hair was because after I washed my hair, I wasn't very adamant in separating or popping my locks once I was done. So I actually saved some at the front here. So once I pulled out my braids after I washed my hair, when it's wet actually, I go through each row and separate each lock like that. Hear it popping? Pop, pop, pop. And of course my hair needs to be retightened, so again, so what's new? I hope to do some today. But yeah, I go through and I pop all the locks so that they don't come together, and then I apply my moisturizer and conditioner. I'm going to moisturize. So as I told you before, I never use conditioner in my hair, any at all. What I use, and shout out to Yanni the lockologist, I got this from her. I use rose water and vitamin E oil. This is the pure vitamin E oil anyways. What she recommends is that you use the one that is mixed with other stuff. For instance, this one, which is really soft and really nice. So you mix half and half rose water and vitamin E oil. That's what I use in a little bottle like this. And this is what I use to moisturize my hair, to condition, and just spritz it over the ends here, like that. And then that takes care of my tresses. What's that word? Alright, but what do I use to take care of my scalp? So I get my little tubey thingy, and this has in castor oil, a little olive oil, and peppermint oil. This peppermint oil here. Right, and I just apply to my scalp all over my head all over my head. Just ensure that I apply it all over my head. And then I massage it into my scalp. Massage my scalp because massaging the scalp gets the blood flowing and stimulates the scalp and promotes growth. Right. So that's what I do. I oil my scalp maybe once a week or so. I am pretty delinquent where that is concerned, I must be honest. But it's easier to spritz it. And I try to do that almost every day because I don't really use a lot and it's not a lot of oil or heavy oil, so to speak. Yeah, so that's my wash routine. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you can actually learn something. And thanks for watching. Bye.